I was looking for a tablet press that would be as efficient as possible, safe for the operator, made of resistant material, with a capacity of 3,000 tablets per hour. The machine had to be compact in overall dimensions, and easy to operate. The first thing I did was to contact the supplier of the tablet and capsule press we had on hand. The quality and performance of the machine we had was satisfactory, so we decided to consider this manufacturer. I found out the phone number of the company in the sales department and contacted the manager. The specialist who spoke to me told me that this tablet press for laboratory research had been discontinued last year. I started my search for tablet press with the confidence that I would immediately find the necessary equipment from other manufacturers. However, the task was not as easy as it seemed at first glance. I then looked for a pellet press from Chinese manufacturers. There were more options here. I sent emails to them indicating which machine I was considering as an option to 5 equipment companies in China. However, only 2 responded to me. One company indicated that such equipment would not be produced until 5 months, and the other sent a response in Chinese. The period of 5 months didn't satisfy me. It was too long, and none of our people speak Chinese. I didn't want to spend time and money on a translator, so it was decided not to buy a car from a Chinese manufacturer. I realized that I could not solve the problem of buying a pellet press on my own, so I decided to turn to a specialist intermediary. I had an idea of what kind of machine I needed, so I only paid attention to the reliability of the company. I chose several intermediaries on the internet, one from China, and 2 managers from Russia. I made my choice by looking at the company's websites, the length of their work in the market for supplying pharmaceutical equipment, positive customer feedback, and the relevance of their prices were of great importance. At first I called the Chinese intermediary. His presented price for the machine was lower than the others. I received a response from the manager, who specified that the price did not include customs clearance, delivery and installation of equipment. The total amount for the machine was much more than presented on the site. I was not satisfied. Then I studied the Russian company's website more closely. I looked at the prices and the terms of delivery, but I was alerted to the fact that this company also supplies shoes and crockery from China. I wanted to find a specialist in whom I was confident, who would deliver to me automatic dispensing equipment in the specified time. I decided to look at the last option among Russian intermediaries. In advance, I checked the company in the database of entrepreneurs in Russia for litigation for the period of activity. This company did not appear in these lists. I liked the company's website, modern, structured, lots of equipment videos. I called the manager and told him that I wanted to buy a tablet press with the capacity of 3,000 tablets per hour for trial production of tablets. I read in the instructions that it provides tablet formation up to 20 millimeters. We stayed with the tablet press recommended and supplied by the manager of this company. It was nice to know that we had many mutual acquaintances. I realized that I made the right choice of a professional to supply the equipment. Real professionals pay attention to detail, and I was lucky to find such a person when selecting equipment.